have some brain rot notebooks. So, first one that I have is that. How many? First one, this one is Ilkat to Hippopotamus. And also, this one second, Ketupat Kepot Kopot. And third one of this one is Boneka Ambalabo. Next, this one is Walang Gutini Anansin. This one is Ruli Flula. And this one is Echo Cavello Vitordo. And also, this one is Chimpanzee Bananini. Spot Hotspot and Tata Safo. And next is Pidi Crocodini, Trales Lalala, and this one last is Tung Tung Sahur. And I have more. It's more like a bag. Okay. Frido Camelo. Okay. Now it's GMRC time. As you can see, I already have brain rot right here. See? And also I have really brain rot before. But baloney. Baloney. It's gonna be hard. So you see my politics now. Next ranking. Give me comments. Kills you the brains now. So this is the ugliest guy ever. And the last one is the Bikus Tikus. But thought is not Cappuccino Assassin.